guys, this is Ravita, and in this video again I'm going to share an amazing success story of law of attraction. And this story is about manifesting unbelievable results, and this story is submitted by a girl named Daisy, and she writes, "Hello guys, I'm writing this story to serve as inspiration for anyone who may need this at the moment. Your stories were what helped me stay inspired while I was at the lowest point of my life. The last 6 months have been the worst of my life. My relationship ended and my finances were hell. I have made some really bad decisions, hence found myself covered in bad loans with high interest up to the amount of my monthly pay. I was living paycheck to paycheck until finally even the paychecks were not sufficient to pay all my expenses. Although I made these wrong decisions, I was never an irresponsible person. So the first thing every month was to pay my bills and loans. This was all very stressing, as you can imagine, never knowing if I could survive the next 2 weeks to the next paycheck. I was in an emotional hell also due to my breakup, which I couldn't get over. Now I'm truly grateful for all this because it helped me get back on the right track, the secret track. I'm a big fan of The Secret and had manifested a lot of things practicing law of attraction. But somehow negativity took over in the last couple of years and I quickly forgot the rules I used to live by. Then I decided to change. I started reading stories here and to listen to the audiobook. I even found my own story which I submitted some time ago and I cried when I read it. How could I forget my own achievements and how blessed I am? I made it a daily must-do to change my habit of thinking of issues to thinking of my desires. I made my vision board and I withdrew the last cash I had. I put it on the table and watched it thinking, what an abundance of money. Regardless, this was the money to pay the bills tomorrow. Up to this point, I had submitted my application to multiple banks for refinancing, but they would all reject me due to my debt, although I never had been late on the payment. So I was desperate and stopped even trying to get refinancing on a lower rate. But the day came when I was waiting in the bank to make a monthly payment and a thought just came to my mind. There is always something I can do, apply for a loan with better conditions. My mind kept telling me I would be rejected, but something inside me told me to do it. I went to a bank and explained my situation. The girl there wasn't very optimistic about my situation, but I told her, please let's just submit the papers. We did, and I guess I looked desperate. She told me, don't worry, it will work. It was more like confronting me than believing it, but I kept imagining their call confirming I was approved. I wrote myself a magic check for 50,000 rupees and put a big green approved stamp on it. I also wrote thank you for the freedom of choices, for my ability to pay my debt, and for the valuable lesson that I had learned. Thank you for teaching me to be more responsible with my finances. Nothing happened for the next 3 days, but I knew that this was a test of my faith. I stayed positive and didn't allow any disbelief. It wasn't easy since I didn't even have money to survive the month if I wasn't approved, and there was no place I could get it from. But I chose to believe. And today I woke up and I said to myself today that this will be over, and then I went on with my day. I finally received the call today. It was just like I imagined it. The lady told me I was approved. Against all odds, I received refinancing with more than affordable monthly payments. I was amazed, but now I know. Later I realized that I put a date on a magic check and I was approved exactly on the same day. What's crazy is that I saw another magic check I have written which was rupees 7,400, and after paying all debts, this is the exact spare amount I'm going to have left so I can start fresh. As I'm in sales and depending on commissions, I made a fake screenshot of rupees 40,000 received from clients. The next morning I went to the office and saw 3 separate payments made from a single customer. At first I didn't notice and kept doing my job, and until later I realized the 3 separate payments were for rupees 12,000, rupees 10,000 and rupees 18,000. So rupees 40,000 in total in less than 12 hours. This reminded me that what I forgot about doing in the last couple of years was defining my targets. I was living focusing on the misfortune instead of being clear of what I wanted. Please just decide what you want and let it go, guys. You will be amazed at what you can do and how well you can do it. So guys, it was a bit long story, but it's an amazing and inspiring story, and this is the proof that you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. But you have to be a little patient and you have to trust the universe and also trust yourself. So just keep going with your dream, guys. Never give up and just stay happy and blessed, and good vibes to all.